Oh,
Come and get a Smacko. Get a Smacko. Come on. Sit. Good girl. Good boy, Bruce. Sit, Jack. Good boy. Good kids. Come on. Good kids. Would you like to sit? Look at those ears. Jack, you're a freak. Down he is. Oh, there you are, Dan. Sit, Stella. Sit. You've been in the water, Bruce. And you have too, Stella. Up, sit. Good girl. Good
Go.
kids. Sit, Jack. Sit, Jack. Jack, sit. Good boy. Good girl, Stella. And you are a very special boy, Bruce. Sit, Jack. Sit. Good boy. We have a cuddle this time. And no schmackos. A cuddle for Bruce and a cuddle for Stella. Okay? Good kids.